Alright guys, since I'm recording all these videos, I went ahead and skipped the monitoring progress. So if you have any questions on those or want the answers to them, please get with me or email me or whatever, and I can get you through those. Okay, so here we're going to look at example 4, and there's just 3 of them, and these ones aren't very bad at all. Okay, so when we add and subtract, first thing we have to do is we have to make sure these are the same roots, so they both are fourth roots, which is fine. But the second thing is we have to make sure these are the same. Okay, so if we had like the fourth root of 2 plus the fourth root of, I don't know, 14, okay, we could not combine these because these are different. Okay, however, that's very different than if we were multiplying, right? Because this would just be the fourth root of 2 times 14. Okay, but when we add or subtract, these have to be the same in order to put them together. So this one's really not that bad. So we have fourth root of 10 plus plus 7 times the fourth root of 10. Okay, so think if this fourth root of 10 had a coefficient in front of it, it'd be a 1. So 1 fourth root of 10 plus 7 fourth root of 10, guys, is just 8 fourth root of 10. Okay, same thing here. 2 times 8 to the 15th plus 10 times 8 to the 15th. Well, 15th, 5th. Okay, we have 2 8 to the 5ths here, so 2 8 to the 5th plus 10 8 to the 5th is just 12 times 8 to the 5th. Okay, that's not too bad neither. All right, now C is a little more difficult because if we look at this, we see the third root of 54 and the third root of 2. Okay, so as they are right now, we cannot combine these because they have different bases. Okay, but what we can do is let's simplify the third root of 54. Okay, so let's break 54 down. So we know 2 goes into it 27 times. We know 3 goes into it 9 times. We go 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 goes into 3 once. Okay, we're to the third root, so we want groups of 3, so 3. So this simplify is just 3 on the outside, cubed root of, we have a leftover 2, so 2. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this. This is 3 times cubed root of 2 minus cubed root of 2. Okay, and if it makes your heart feel a little better, we can put a 1 there as a coefficient if that makes it easier for you. So now we have cubed root of 2 over here and cubed root of 2 over here. So we can simplify this as just 3 minus 1 is 2, cubed root of 2, and that is our final answer.